Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, saya Dian Indriani SPD, guru Bahasa Inggris dari SDN Srengseng Sawah 04 Jakarta. Pada kesempatan kali ini, saya akan mempraktekkan proses pengajaran dengan penerapan Pedagogical Content Knowledge atau PCK sebagai metode pembelajaran kontekstual dalam pembelajaran bahasa Inggris di SDN Srengseng Sawah 04. Di era pandemi COVID-19 seperti saat ini, guru dan peserta didik dituntut untuk mampu melaksanakan pembelajaran daring atau pembelajaran jarak jauh. Dalam melaksanakan pembelajaran jarak jauh, saya menggunakan video pembelajaran sebagai media untuk menyampaikan materi kepada peserta didik. Berikut videonya. Selamat menyaksikan. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope everyone stays healthy and don't forget to stay at home ya. Let's pray together that COVID-19 pandemic will end soon, so the life will return to normal. Amin. At the English online class today, we will study about procedure text. The students, if you heard the word procedure, what do you imagine in your mind? Yes, when you heard the word procedure, that must be imagined in our mind is the procedure, steps, and the sequence in carrying out an activity. Well, procedure is the text that explain how to use something or text that instruct how to make something. Jadi, prosedur teks itu adalah teks yang berisikan cara menggunakan sesuatu atau teks yang berisikan cara membuat sesuatu. Now, I will reviewing your memories about the materials before that related with the materials will be studied today. Look at the picture beside. Are those numbers have some function? Give me a reason. Okay, I think enough for the time. We discuss together. Yes, right. Those numbers have different function. In the left side, the number is a number, but in the right side, the number is used to express the steps. The steps how to use or how to make something. Then, are you remember what is imperative sentence? Mention the imperative word that used in our activity every day. Okay, put, and then cook, and then read, boil, stir, and so on. Good. Okay, after we reviewing the previous materials, we go to the main materials. I will give an example about procedure text. I will give you a picture. Look at the picture and then I will give some question for you. Question number 1. What does the text tells about? What are the features in the text? Okay, time is up. We discuss together. The text in the picture is tell about how to use a blender. The text is content of steps, action verb, and imperative verbs. And then look at the procedure text beside. Then, have you ever made an instant noodle before? Do you know how to make it? And can you make it without the procedure? Now, I will ask to you. Question number 1. What is the procedure text? Number 2, how to make procedure text? And the last number is, based on those picture, blender, and how to make an instant noodle, are those have the same structure? Let's we discuss together. Right. Procedure text is the text that explains how to use and how to make something. And then in the procedure text have structures like goals, ingredients, and step. Nah, in the two example before, there are differences about the structures. In the first example, there are no ingredients, but in the second example, there are ingredients in it. Okay, student, after studying the procedure text, let's apply it in everyday life. At school, you have rules that must be obeyed. For example, when you buy something in the canteen, what attitude you must have to make the situation in the canteen more conducive? Yes, the answer is discipline. We must discipline for our life. Okay, I think enough for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day and see ya.